In this lesson, we are going to talk about the text align property. The code here is similar to what we saw in the past, just with the addition of the 50% width. The CSS align property is used to align text within an HTML element. It can take on several values, which include left, center, right, and justify. We look into some examples demonstrating how they work. Now, left aligns the text to the left of the element. So, just like in your Microsoft Word, if you're used to text alignment there, it works similarly to how it works on the web. So you align it to the left. You have align to the right, which, of course, opposite to the left, we can align the text to the right. You have center. This aligns the text to the center. And then we have justify, which stretches the space between the words so that all the lines of text are the same width. This is very useful in some cases. You should be familiar with this from text editing apps or, apps like Microsoft Word and other similar editing software.